Yo, so we got a massive windstorm today, and we got trees down over there. We got a crew over there working. Look at this. This is just nasty weather. Well, I don't think there's gonna be any more weak trees after today.
I don't think so either.
This is just a complete freaking mess. Power line shaking. Damn. This is I don't really feel safe out here. I'm only out here just to do this damn video. I was gonna go to the store. I ain't gonna go to the store. The store is literally right there. That tree is about to fall down any damn moment. I ain't gonna go over there. This is not safe. I'm gonna head inside. This is just not safe. I don't feel safe out here. Now, don't mind the house. It's a mess, but I don't feel safe out there. Just wanted to show you the chaos that was going on outside. That's all. So, hope you guys have a great day. Peace.